This short video will introduce you to the 4 view modes in Parallels Desktop. View modes change the way you see the guest OS in a virtual machine, and its applications. First is Window View Mode. In Window Mode, the guest OS, in this case Windows 10, runs in a window on the Mac desktop. You can move the window around the desktop and you can resize it. When the mouse cursor is inside the Windows 10 window, it takes the standard appearance of a Windows cursor. Outside of this window, it appears as a standard Mac cursor. As you move back and forth, it will become a Windows cursor or a Mac cursor. You can drag and drop files from the Mac desktop to Windows 10, and open them in a Windows 10 app. Here I am opening a Word document in Microsoft Word for Windows. You can also copy text and graphics from a Windows application and paste into a Mac application, and vice versa. Here I am copying some text from a Word for Windows document, and pasting it into a Pages document. And here I am copying some text in a Pages document, and pasting it into a Word for Windows document. Window mode is the most common way that I, personally, use a virtual machine. Next, let's look at full screen mode. One way to change view modes is to use the Parallels menu, as I am doing here to change to full screen mode. In full screen mode, Windows 10 occupies the entire Mac display and you don't even see the Mac. This view is often used by PC users who have recently moved to the Mac. You can move back to the Mac with a 4-finger swipe on the trackpad, and you can move back to Windows with a 4-finger swipe, in the other direction. You can copy and paste text and graphics from a Windows application to a Mac application, but it is slightly more complicated because of the need for a 4-finger swipe between the copy and the paste. Drag and drop between Windows and Mac is not available when in full screen mode. I will exit full screen view mode using the Parallels menu. Let's now look at Coherence mode. You move from Window mode to Coherence with the Parallels menu, as I did before. In Coherence, the Windows 10 desktop disappears, and Windows applications exist on the Mac desktop, side by side with Mac apps. Just click in any apps window to transition to it. Copy and paste between Windows apps and Mac apps works in exactly the same way as between two Mac apps. Coherence is the view mode used by most Parallels desktop users. I will exit Coherence view mode using the Parallels menu, as I did before. Now let's look at the last remaining view mode, Picture-in-Picture. You move from Window mode to Picture-in-Picture mode with the Parallels menu, as I did before. Picture-in-Picture view mode is mainly used by advanced Parallels desktop users, who want to monitor a long-running operation in the virtual machine, without taking up much screen space. Even though the Picture-in-Picture window is small, it is live and you can interact with it. I will exit Picture-in-Picture view mode using the Parallels menu, as I did before. I hope you found this introduction to view modes in Parallels Desktop useful, and that you can now pick the best view mode for your use of Parallels Desktop. There will be additional introductory videos about Parallels Desktop soon. Thanks for watching.